Namaste! Welcome to Taste of India, the show where we explore the rich and diverse flavours of Indian cuisine. Whether you are a fan of spicy street food, hearty home-cooked meals, or luxurious restaurant fare, India has it all. From the coastal seafood of Kerala to the tangy chat of Delhi, Indian food is not only a feast for the stomach, but a celebration of culture and tradition. In this video, I'll show you how to find the best food internet shows in India, bringing India's culinary delights directly to your screen. So let's start with the rise of food shows in India. Over the last decade, food shows in India have witnessed an unprecedented rise, particularly with the advent of internet platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and OTT services. Indian audiences have become increasingly inclined towards content that not only showcases the rich cultural diversity, but also provides the practical insights into food preparation, unique recipes, and the stories behind dishes. These internet shows have created a bridge between culinary experts, home chefs, and enthusiastic food lovers, catering to all tastes and preferences. In a country where food is central to every celebration and ritual, food shows have become a highly engaging and entertaining form of content. The ease of access and the quality of production have catapulted some shows into nationwide popularity. Now let's take a look at the mouth-watering content. India boasts a wide variety of food-based internet shows, each offering something special for different types of viewers. One standout is Chef Ranveer Bra's YouTube channel, where he not only shares authentic Indian recipes, but also emphasizes the cultural significance of each dish. His show is a treat for food lovers who are interested in learning the historical context of Indian food while mastering classic recipes. Another prominent show is Village Cooking Channel, which has earned millions of followers for its rustic approach to cooking in traditional Indian villages. The show's stunning visuals showcase large-scale outdoor cooking using simple ingredients. The charm of this show really lies in its ability to connect with viewers by emphasizing simplicity, family values, and the beauty of cooking with fresh, local ingredients. Additionally, Kabita's Kitchen, one of India's most loved internet shows, is famous for its easy-to-follow quick recipes. It's aimed at busy individuals who want to make delicious meals without spending too much time in the kitchen. Kabita's recipes reflect practicality without compromising on flavor. So let's now look at a focus on regional flavors. One of the best aspects of Indian food shows is their emphasis on showcasing regional diversity. India's cuisine is not monolithic. Every state has its own set of flavors, cooking techniques, and specialty dishes. Shows like The Urban Desi take viewers on a virtual tour across India, showcasing regional specialities from every corner of the country. From Rajasthani thalis to Bengali sweets, viewers get to experience the vast culinary heritage of India. The show Spice Trip with Paulami deserves special mention for its focus on regional spices, ingredients, and cooking techniques. Paulami not only introduces her viewers to lesser-known spices from different regions, but also teaches them how to use them in innovative ways. This is particularly exciting for those who want to experiment with regional Indian flavors in their own kitchen. Now let's have a look at street food shows. One cannot discuss Indian food shows without acknowledging the abundance of street food channels that have swept the internet. Channels like Street Food Diaries and Gully Boy Food capture the essence of India's street food culture. From Pani Puri and Pav Bhaji to the more exotic momos and kebabs, these shows offer viewers an authentic glimpse into the buzzing street food stalls across Indian cities. What makes these shows unique is the raw and unfiltered approach they take. Viewers feel as though they are right there in the middle of the action, experiencing the sounds, sights, and smells of India's streets. The impact of food shows on Indian audiences is great. Food shows in India have not only entertained, but also educated their audience. Many of these shows are interactive, allowing viewers to follow along with the recipes and create dishes at home. Shows like Heba's Kitchen with its detailed instructions and ingredients lists, have empowered countless home cooks to try their hand at new recipes. Moreover, these shows promote local ingredients and emphasize sustainability, right? So that's something that resonates with a growing eco-conscious audience. So additionally, food shows have become a platform for social change, where chefs often discuss issues such as food waste, health and nutrition. Shows like Chef Kunal Kapoor's Masterclass have included segments focusing on healthy eating and mindful cooking, which encourage viewers to adopt healthier lifestyles while still indulging in flavorful food. So in conclusion, India's food internet shows have revolutionized the way we explore, understand and appreciate Indian cuisine. From traditional recipes to modern interpretations, these shows cater to a diverse audience, bringing the flavors of India to a global stage. There is a show for everyone, whether you are an experienced chef, a home cook, or simply enjoy watching food preparation. So subscribe to these channels, dive into the world of Indian food, and let your taste buds travel across the rich culinary experience and landscape of India. Happy cooking! See you next time.